As previously had Light Island tier list. Today we have Continent tier lists. Yeah, many will agree like Continent is a really good island. Like best in Dawn of Fire. I mean, longest in the whole history. So let's rank them all. Look at this. What do I have here? First of all, like Kena. Kena will be really good. Nugging. But it's like Mammoth is so good. Told you, man, also really good. Potbelly, nice, but Tweedle looks really nice, I think. Same goes for Stock, but Boskus, no, Boskus is best. I'm gonna go like normal for Drumpler, like really good for, like they're having really good sounds, like just normal, but Boskus like my personal favorite. For Vogue, really good. Or like more same flower, same shrub, same Furcon is normal. But like, look at this. What underrated Chorister below Furcon, but like Furcon has nice, but it's too freaking loud to hear Chorister. Chorister is my personal favorite in the kind of entire game, I can say. It's got like Octopus, really good. But summons for Glow duets really good with Yelmat, which are gonna go best for Yelmat. It was like Cybop, definitely go here. Really good. Like, but Quibble, I don't know why do people like Quibble, but like I'm gonna go for normal for Quibble. Has nice sounds, but I don't care about that. Yeah, it has nice sounds. Dandidoo, to really good Zigguramp. Oh boy, Zigguramp. Zigguramp is one of my favorite fire monsters, I should say. Thrumble, good. Wincute, normal. T-Rox. But for now, I do not understand why the developers made Continent like. It's like when they pom the slash cyber part, there will be no sound. I thought I'm gonna go like no sound for T-Rox, and then the whole part of where just Yelmat sings. It will be only first track, and then Global and Yelmat it will be second track, but like, I'm gonna go like really good. Rapallo, also good. Souza, yes, Souza is really good, but Ruditude, holy shit, I like Ruditude. Has not sound. Clambo, definitely one of the best monsters in here. The sound is great. 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 Pummel. Normal, but Bulgars has actually a nice melody. Look out here. Volabee. Also one of my favorite fire monsters. Same for Zigguramp. Like for normal. Next, Barb. Normal, but like flowers like. But like. I don't know, Scaps, also normal Pom-Pom, also normal, but Riddling. Oh no. I'm gonna put you here. Has not some Congo, really good, but Thumpies are actually good monsters. And by the entire game. Thumpies are good, and Thumpies are good in original game, in Dawn of Fire, in my Singing Monsters, Dawn of Fire, and even in Thumpies the game. Thumpies the game itself. Next, Sponge. Really good. Access for only quads. And then Quints. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna rate Candelabra, it's really good, but Dromedary, I like taiko drums. I like taiko drums. Tiava. Tiava is actually really nice. Tiava. Really good luck. Oh, wait. No. This is like a Damini. Normal Android. Really good. Incisaurus. Barber Slap is a good instrument. Krillby. Oh no, I like Krillby. Flamox. Also my personal favorite drink is really good, like it's kind of like looks like it stirs in your soul. Looks like Riff. No, I'm gonna put Riff as really good because like Shelby is like just a normal. It's like yeah, I watched Mr. Riddling's video, but I should go with Chorister as best and Falcon as normal. Sniza, nice bass sound, like has a nice sound, but Deej, ho, yeah, Deej. But like, I'm seriously, Deej is actually nice. So it's like one of my tier lists of continent monsters. Maybe there will be some more, because like I'm gonna run a series of ranking all the monsters in Dawn of Fire Islands, including the Starhenge. But I don't care if there is no like Mimic, I don't know, like Bullhead, Tuskski and Yarrows. Yes, they're in original game and not in Dawn of Fire. But let's just freaking wait. Let's wait till there will come, and I will re-rank this thing.